Hey guys, it's Billy here. Today we're talking about why smart agency owners are ditching the retainer model and switching to pay-per-lead. Most agency owners think the only way to scale is by hiring more staff, taking on more clients, and working longer hours. You're told that's just how agencies work. It's a people business, right? But here's what's interesting. I'm about to show you how to go from 5K to 50K monthly profit using the exact opposite approach. I've analysed hundreds of successful lead generation agencies and they all follow the same model I'm about to share. So in this video, I'm going to break down the complete pay-per-lead system, the same one that consistently hits 250K monthly revenue for us. By the way, I'm Billy Robinson, generated over 130,000 leads, made 7 million plus selling them, and this is literally all I do. Why retainers are broken. Look, I was stuck in the retainer trap for years, had the fancy offers, big team, looked successful on paper. Reality, I was taking home 5K a month, working 50 plus hour weeks, after all expenses. Here's the problem with retainers. You're selling your time, not results. Client wants changes, you got to do them. Client has terrible ideas, you implement them. Anyway, client leaves after you've built everything, they keep all the assets. It's a hamster wheel, I'm telling you. And the worst part, you're competing with thousands of other agencies offering the exact same thing, so you're just a commodity. The pay-per-lead advantage. Now here's where it gets interesting. With pay-per-lead, you flip the entire model. Instead of saying, I'll manage your campaigns for 3K a month, you say, I'll sell you 100 qualified leads for $50 each. The client understands exactly what they're getting. They can calculate their ROI immediately. And here's the kicker, you own everything. Brand, the funnel, the data, the campaigns. Let me show you the real numbers from one of our finance verticals. Generate leads for about $35 each CPA. We sell them at $65 each retail. That's 1,500 leads a month, so about 52,500 ad spend, 97,500 revenue, and 50,000 in gross monthly profit. Same marketing skills, completely different business model. The system that makes it work. Right, so how do you actually do this? It's simpler than you think. First, pick your niche. Don't try to be everything to everyone. I went deep in on finance, car loans, mortgages, personal loan. That's it. Pick something with high lead values and consistent demand. Second, build your lead generation brand. This isn't some massive project. Logo, Facebook page, landing page. I spent $1,200 on proper branding and it nearly doubled our conversion rates. Third, create your funnel. Forget basic lead forms. They're rubbish quality. We use quiz funnels with multiple steps and conditional logic. This takes people from maybe interested to more ready to buy. Fourth, master your traffic. Here's where most people stuff it up. They create 2 or 3 ads and hope for the best. What we do is create 5 different hooks, 5 bodies, and combine them for 25 variations. Test everything, skill, and kill what doesn't work. Scale what does. Finding buyers is easier than you think. This is actually the simple bit. When your offer is, I've got qualified leads, how many do you want? People listen. I literally run Facebook ads saying, finance brokers want pre-qualified leads. Gets responses every time. The key is you're not selling a service anymore, you're selling results. Much easier conversation. The technical setup. You'll need distribution software once you have more than 2 clients. Something like LeadByte to automatically route leads to multiple clients. Without this, you're manually sending leads like a mug. Set up round-robin distribution or priority routing based on client spend. Set up automated invoicing or online payments. The whole system runs itself once it's built. Look, I'm not saying ditch your agency tomorrow, but if you're a skilled marketer stuck in the retainer trap, this model can add serious money to your bottom line. We showed you how to go from 5K to 50K monthly profit using this exact system. Same skills you already have, just monetized differently. The biggest difference, you're building assets you own instead of building someone else's business. Now, if you want the complete breakdown of how we built this system, check out my lead farming blueprint down below. I've documented everything, the funnels, the scripts, the client acquisition process, the lot. If this makes sense and you want to see more examples of what's working, smash that subscribe button. Catch you in the next video.